Hey you guys, welcome back. So if you don't know already, I am on a roll with recording. I just previously recorded some other videos. You'll notice the same shirt, same look and everything. But I am going to wrap this up today with one of my favorite subscription companies, which is Boss & Bay. This is a melanin friendly subscription box. Absolutely love it. It can be for anybody. Anybody can purchase these. And you will see that they have some super cool products inside of their box. If you are not already getting one, check down below in the description box. I do have a discount code that you can use for your first box. And yeah, so if you already get Boss & Bay, shout out to you for the support. I will tell you one more time, I always go over it. Boss & Bay is super cool because what they do is they're not only building their brand as far as Boss & Bay and having their subscription company, they like to put products from smaller businesses inside of their box. Sometimes it's, you know, bigger companies as well, but they do like to support small businesses and they put their products in here. So products that is out in the market that you probably have never heard of before because the company is small, you can find in the Boss & Bay box. That is another reason to show this one some support because they're helping smaller businesses grow just like they're growing, and I think that is amazing. I love that about this company. So I'm gonna get this open, and whenever I open it, I see this pretty paper with this cute little heart that's always on there. And then you get this postcard, and this is summer. So this one is for June, and then it also tells you the name of the products on the back as well as some information and the prices. So let's get started. The first thing that I pulled out is this super cute drink charms, and it is fish themed, and that is super cute, perfect for the summer. If you're having your little gathering, this is 6 of them in here, and you got friends over, and everybody need to mark their drink so you're not picking up somebody else's cup. You want to go on and throw you some drink charms on the table and tell everybody to grab one. So that's what these are. I love these. These are food and dishwasher safe, and they're silicone. So it says these are by True Zoo sardine drink charms. I think that's so cute. It's like in a sardine can. So the price for these is $9.99. Okay, I absolutely love this bag, and it's by a company called Blue Q Bags. It says the system for carrying your stuff, and it's 95% made out of recycled material. Look at her. She is just chilling out there, laying there on the grass with her little animals under the trees, reading her book with her motorcycle in the background back here with her helmet. That is so cute. I would love to keep this in my purse. I love this. That is adorable. I have never even heard of that company. Oh yeah, so you can just fill it with some stuff. I really like this. And this is let me see, where was I just looking at? Blue Q Mighty Michelle pencil case, but for me, I'll put whatever I want in it and throw it in my purse. But this retails for $5.99. The next item that I see is by Jaden Madison, and it is a lip gloss. It says sheer tint lip treatment, and it also came with a paper to tell you. It says this isn't your ordinary gloss. Our base formula is enriched with lanolin, cocoa butter, matcha, green tea butter, castor oil, and vitamin E to activate the goodness. And you simply pump the wand up and down to soften, leaving you with a unique gloss we're sure you're going to fall in love with. And of course, I love it because it is purple. So let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. So the wand is just a regular, you know, wand like that. And oh my goodness, this is so, I love this. So it's not only just a purple, it kind of looks like it has like a blue pearl in there. Look at that. Depending on the way you move it, you can see purple as well as like blue and some pink in there. That is really pretty. I will definitely be using this. Love it. And this is retailed for $20. It says this shimmery fuchsia pink natural conditioning lip cream treatment is buildable and may be worn as a sheer wash of color or layered with your favorite lipstick. So I will be doing both with this one. The next item in here is a nail polish. It says nail lacquer by Deco Miami, I believe. Or let me see. Let me make sure. Deco Miami nail lacquer. I love the little box. I love the way that looks. A little triangle. Let's get this open. It says luxury, cruel free. Ooh, ooh, that is pretty. Look at this box. I mean, look at this packaging on this. That is so cute. So it looks like that. Really, really pretty. Look at that. It has a gold top on it. It's compact, like short. That is so pretty. I like that. Okay, pretty blue color, light blue color. Deco and Miami, and this is a delicate aqua inspired by beautiful Venetian fountains. That is what that color is, and I can see that 100%. And this retails for $12. The next item in here is some sugar scrub. I recently got, I think it was like 2 months ago. I think it was 2 months ago. I got a different scrub and like some bath salts from Boston Bay, and I loved them. This is Yippy Company whipped sugar scrub in Hello Sunshine. It retails for $5, and oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I definitely can get the citrus in this. Like, I'm smelling like, oh, orange zest, lemon, sugar. I can smell all kinds of stuff in here. This smells so good, and I love me a good scrub, so I'm excited to use this. Yippy Company. Okay, and they also put their Etsy shop on the side and everything. So this is in this month's box. This next item right here says it's by Peter Thomas Roth. It's a retinol fusion PM night serum. So it's in this glass container. It has a dropper on it. It is sealed shut, so I'm not going to open this right now. It says to shake well. Let me tell you what it retails for. Okay, so I was like, okay, I don't see this on here, but I didn't go down far enough. So this product right here, it says they are samples. So they also threw in this sample as well as another one that I'll show you. It is the Just Kiss Lip Plumper, which is in my hand, and the Peter Thomas Roth Fusion PM cleansing serum or night serum. And then they also threw in this little lip plumper right here, this little container. And yeah, so I don't use plumpers too much, but sometimes I do like to have my lips be a little plumper depending on where I'm going and what I'm doing. So that is cool to actually have a subscription box company that will throw in samples. So this is the 2 samples that I got. And last but not least, I got this, and I think this is super cute. It says suns out, buns out. I remember I was just recently in a store, and I've showed it to you guys before. It's some slides, some little sandals that say suns out, buns out, and I think they are those the Circus by Sam Edelman ones? I can't remember, but they did have them at Macy's, and now they're at where they at? Burlington, and they say suns out, buns out, and I thought that was cute. Look at this picture. Oh my goodness, is that a, wait, where's it at? Come on, focus. Is that a cinnamon bun? That is a cinnamon bun at the beach. Sun's out and the bun's out. That is so cute. And this is by Chantilly Cosmetics, and before I open it, this retails for $20. It says it has 8 creamy mattes and 4 sparkling shimmers, wavy, bright, vibrant shades of orange, tan, yellow, fiery red, and deep browns. So I have not, I don't think I have, no, I know for a fact, I don't have a Chantilly Cosmetics palette in my collection. Not at all. Not at all. Let me show you this. Hold on. I'm covering up the mirror so I don't blind you guys, but look at this right here. There's 2 cinnamon buns with their buns out looking, and this whole part up here is a mirror, but look at they little buns. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then they also put a card in here to show you, the plastic fell out. They also put a card in here to show you the colors and everything. So That's in here. And then here is what the colors look like. Really, really pretty. Look at that. Those are pretty. And I love the names on them. Let's see. Let me swatch this hot tamale. Oh, that is pretty. I gotta put something behind it so it'll focus. So right there. And these look really pigmented. And then let's try glazed. And that is a gold. Oh my gosh. There it is. My camera is acting crazy. It wouldn't focus. So those are the two. And as you can see, they're super pigmented. Really nice. I'm happy to have gotten this because like I said, I have not even had a palette from them before. And I absolutely love this. Okay, so sorry I had to pop in like this. I know you guys were thinking that was going to be it in the video. But I had to come back like 2 days later. I completely forgot. Boss and Bae sent me an email and they let me know that they were going to send 2 packages. So the first box that you were just watching, and then I got another package which came at a different time. So when I checked my box and I got my, my mail, I wanted to come and film for you guys, completely forgetting about this second package because the item could not fit in the box. So I'm here now to show you what else was in my June Boss and Bae box. Okay, so I'm not sure how I forgot that, but I know how. I have so many things going on. And I dropped the ball. I literally dropped the ball. So the other item that came in this month's box was this disco ball. And it's so pretty. Look at that purple and that blue. I love this. And it does have the straw to it. And so you just basically, I think, do you screw this off? Yeah, it's a screw top. Look at that. This is so cute. So this is also in this month's box, and I'm not gonna keep making excuses. So that is it for my Boss and Bae box. Like I said, their information will be down below for you to get a box if you were interested in this one. And there is a discount code down there. Make sure you use that. And that will be it. So I thank you all for watching this video, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.